What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your New Balance 740. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your New Balance 740s, and if you do have particularly long laces, then I'm going to show you when we get up to this bit here how you too can achieve this lacing style. So let's get into it. I'm going to place this one here so we can see what we're working towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. So the first thing we need to do is take the lace through that hoop there on the front. So just glide it through, and then to make sure the lace is at the same length on both sides, hold on to the ends and pull up. And you'll need to adjust it to make sure that both laces have got the same amount of tension as they run up. So we're going to take the outside lace, we're going to bring it down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. When I bring it down, I'm going to guide it in as well, just to make sure that I get rid of any twists. It does make the lacing style look better when your laces are sitting really flat in the shoe. And then the other end's going to come down through that hole on the inside, the first hole on the inside. Then we're going to take the outside lace, bring it across to that second hole on the inside of the shoe, and all the time as well I'm just flattening out the lace as much as possible, just to make sure that it doesn't twist before it goes into the hole. Then the inside lace comes across to that second hole on the outside. And then now that we've worked in this little bit area here, it's a little bit tight to get to, I'm going to pad out shoes. I recommend you do the same. So I'm just getting a couple of thick socks and I'm placing it inside the shoe. And that's going to help you to get those broader laces coming across. It's also going to make sure that your laces are really set up well for when you put your foot inside to wear the style. So we're going to go back to that outside lace. We're going to bring it across to that first loop on the inside. And again, when I take it across, I'm just going to make sure it doesn't twist as it goes up there, into there. Then the inside lace comes across to that first loop on the outside. Then take the outside lace, we're going to take it through the hoop on the tongue to help keep the tongue in place, and then up through that second hoop on the inside of the shoe. Then take your inside lace, take it through the hoop, sitting on top of the lace that's already in there. So just glide it through, and then up through that second hoop on the outside of the shoe. Like that. Then take the outside lace and we're going to come across to the next hole on the inside. And the inside lace comes across to that next hole on the outside. I'm just going to stop there before I go any further and just make sure that all the laces are crossing over. If you want to make your laces a little bit looser, then you can always pull your shoes out a little bit, and then that'll kind of stretch them across. So then we're going to take the outside lace, and this time we're going to take it out from the back to the front in that last hole. So I'm just going to bring it a little way out of the shoe to match what I've got over here on the left shoe, which is going to leave me a loop. Then I'm going to take the inside lace and take it from the back to the front of the last hole on the outside of the shoe, and again I'm going to have a loop. Now this is where it doesn't matter how long your laces are, because you can have these loops quite long. They're going to go under the tongue and you're going to wear them on top of your foot. So even if you've got long laces and you sometimes find it difficult to achieve that loosely laced style, with this way of doing it, by putting those 2 loops under the tongue, you can still wear that great loose lace look. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your loosely laced New Balance 740. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.